Our elementary schools are overcrowded and have significant maintenance issues. We serve about 475 students, more than our elementary schools were designed for. That's an entire school's worth of children being educated in portable classrooms. The Capital Planning Committee for Ellensburg Schools is proposing a new 500-student elementary to be built on existing district-owned property to alleviate overcrowding and eliminate portable classroom buildings.
When I arrived at Lincoln Elementary School 6 years ago, we had an enrollment of 437 students. This year, we've had an enrollment of 526 in a school built for 400. We've added 6 portable classrooms, we have converted closets to classroom space, and we have pushed storage out into the hallway. We are packed into this school like sardines. This is Ellensburg. We can do better.
One of the downfalls of being housed in a portable is extra transition time it takes to get from the portable into the building, whether it's carrying PE shoes and then having to put them on inside the building, or it's taking coats in the winter time. It adds up to about 10 minutes a day, and over a 180-day school year, that's about 1,800 minutes of lost instructional time.
Also proposed is additional classrooms, gym and cafeteria space at the 2 elementaries to increase capacity and restore hallways and storage space to their intended use. Today, hallways are classrooms and storage closets are used for one-on-one instruction. Some staff even use hallways for office space. They're noisy and cluttered, leaving little room to maneuver around. We need to address maintenance and safety concerns at Mount Stuart and Lincoln, including parking and traffic improvements, secure entrances, and HVAC upgrades.
I arrived at Mount Stuart Elementary School 7 years ago and found out right away that the roof was a concern. There were leaks, lots of leaks, and there were lots of efforts to fix those leaks every summer. This school was built in the late 60s, and at that time, code demanded that air be directly drawn in from outside. But with the forest fires that we've had in recent years, the air drawn in from outside is pretty toxic. This last year we actually closed on the first day of school because of the public health concerns for toxicity of the air.
Schools in the past were designed to be inviting and have easily accessible campuses. Today, that's a safety and security issue.
We know that in order for students to learn, they must feel safe at school. It's time to modernize Mount Stuart in order to provide access control, visitor management, and enough space inside the building for all of our students.
We can complete all bond projects with no local tax rate increase for 2 reasons.
The first is McCleary decision resulted in a lowering of our educational operations levy from $3.40 down to $1.50. And the second is our high school bonds will be retired in 2021. By running the bond in November, we qualified for additional state match. We need to do this before we formally accept Morgan Middle School and accept all of that additional square footage into our inventory. This would gain us about $750,000 in additional matching funds from the state.
We didn't create this plan alone. 2 years in the making, hundreds of hours from the Capital Planning Committee, we believe this is the right plan for both our students and our community. Please vote on November 6th.